Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can adjust and edit line spacing in Google Slides. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my PowerPoint in my Google Slides, and for example, I'm going to edit the line spacing of this paragraph. If we want to edit the line spacing, we need to select the paragraph like this. And then we're going to select the format and choose line and paragraph spacing. Okay, then here you will be able to choose the single spacing or double spacing. You can also add space before or after paragraph. You can also select the custom spacing. And here I'm just going to select the custom spacing. Then for the line spacing, I'm going to select 1.2. And for the paragraph spacing, I'm just going to leave it like that because I don't want to add the paragraph spacing. And then we can click on apply. Okay, and now as you can see that the line spacing has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to adjust and edit the line spacing in Google Slides. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.